In the last 3 months, we've made a lot of progress on the retaining walls and the noise walls along the Fitchburg corridor of Verona Road. Along the west side of the highway, we've built a lot of MSC walls. We're changing the landscape out there, changing the grades, putting down concrete pavement, building some noise walls, making a lot of progress, and we're getting ready for a big traffic switch here in a couple weeks, first and second week of October, to hopefully switch to our stage 6, which is going to put everybody on that new concrete pavement between Williamsburg Way and Raymond Road. It's been a very wet year and it's been a challenge this year. We are trying to make up as much time as we can, but you know, there's been some rework and there's been days that we've lost because of the weather, and we're trying to make progress when we can. The last 2 weeks and before all the rain came, we were making hay pretty good with not having rain for 2 weeks, so we're trying to get what we can, so hopefully this fall stays warm that we can get a lot more done. So we're still on schedule. We're doing everything we can to make up for that. You know, it's like the micro schedule versus the macro schedule. You know, microly, yeah, we're a little behind, but for the overall big picture of the macro schedule, we're right on schedule to get done in fall of 2020. We always shoot for November 1st. Some years we can go all the way to Thanksgiving. Some years November 1st is the when we got to quit. So the reality is we're going to work all the way until we can't this year. So if that's December 1st, it'll be December. You know, we'll see what Mother Nature gives us for weather. We're paving a bunch of new concrete pavement between Williamsburg Way and Raymond Road. Probably a lot of people have seen all the new concrete pavement and the pavers out there right now. We got 2 crossovers we got to build between Williamsburg Way and Raymond Road, and we're going to put all that Verona Road traffic on that new pavement in 2 weeks here. The other thing that we have coming up is next Tuesday we're planning a traffic switch, and these are minor traffic switches at Williamsburg Way and Raymond Road. At both those intersections, we're kind of going to reconfigure where people are as they approach the stoplights and try to get another stage of construction done in those areas. So the map on the top right here is the current stage that we are in. You can see the Verona Road traffic. I got northbound on my finger right here is on the far eastern side of the highway, and southbound is currently in this configuration right here. In about 2 weeks we're going to be switching traffic, and the difference is between Williamsburg Way here and Raymond Road, all that traffic that was way over on the east side of the highway is going to be switched over and be all the way over on the west side of the highway next to that noise wall that we were building out there. What that allows us to do is it opens up this green area on the map for our work zone, so we can build all the new northbound Verona Road concrete pavement and the retaining wall, or I'm sorry, the noise wall near where Shelley Gardens was. So I'd like to encourage people to sign up for our weekly construction updates by going to the Verona Road project.wi.gov and clicking on the link to sign up for the weekly construction updates that we send out during the construction season. Also want to encourage people to go to our Facebook page, which is, if you search under Wisconsin Verona Road Project on Facebook, you can look at all our construction updates and any information, as well as that's a great source to be able to ask any questions of WisDOT that anybody may have.